This is Flower Education IELTS. In this tutorial, I'm gonna discuss some less common words and phrases to ensure 7 plus bands in environment related essays. We're gonna start with synonym of earth in relation with environment. The natural world, our planet, nature, ecosystem, the biosphere, mother nature, surroundings, the living world are all living creatures. Our next term is natural phenomenon. Phenomenon means occurrence. So something that occurs naturally like change in season, sunrise, thunder, tornadoes. All these are natural phenomena. Natural resources. Something that is found in nature and can be used by people. Broadly, these resources can be categorized in two parts. Renewable sources that can't be depleted. They are always available and thus can be used again and again. For instance, sun, wind, water, soil. Whereas non-renewable sources have limited supply, such as fossil fuels, coal, natural gas, or petroleum. Next, flora and fauna. Flora plants and fauna animals. We use this to indicate plants and animals of a particular area. Say, Britain's flora and fauna. Marine and aquatic life. Aquatic means all kind of water bodies, but marine is particularly about oceans. Verge of extinction or endangered means a very few is left of that species, most of them are dead. And the book containing list of endangered species, Red Data book. And next we have greenhouse effect. The way heat is trapped by some gases near the earth's surface and raise its temperature. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, chlorofluorous, nitrous oxide. The emission of these gases is from vehicles, AC, refrigerator, chemical fertilizers, deforestation and so on. And this results in global warming. Global warming means slowly increase in overall temperature of atmosphere of entire earth. And its devastating consequences such as loss of sea ice, melting glaciers, sea level rise, more intense heat waves, freshwater reservoirs are drying, less rains, and drought stretch so long. Climate crisis. This is a term used to show a greater sense of emergency or urgency about climate change. If humans don't do something about now, the consequences may be catastrophic. Deforestation. The action of clearing a wide area of trees. Afforestation means planting a large number of trees where there is a few plants. Next, air or water contamination. Contamination means the process of making something dirty or poisonous. Accumulation of waste. Accumulation means collection of waste. Ever increasing volume of waste means day by day waste is becoming large in size. To eliminate waste. Eliminate means completely remove. So this means to completely remove waste. 3 R's of waste management: reduce use, reuse, and recycle. Rapid change in climate conditions. Rapid means very fast and climate conditions means weather conditions. So this means very fast changes in weather conditions. Please help me to grow this channel by clicking the subscribe button. Throwaway culture. The practice of throwing something out after a single use. It includes things that end up in garbage after a few days or few weeks of usage. Next is effluent, means liquid waste, especially industrial liquid waste or sewage discharged into river or sea. Another important term, biodegradable waste, something that can be broken down by the actions of bacteria like food waste, kitchen waste or other natural waste. And non-biodegradable, which cannot be broken down by bacteria like electronic waste, batteries, plastic or metals. So we should practice proper segregation of biodegradable, non-biodegradable and recyclable waste. Air traffic congestion means lots of flights, planes in the air. Because of this congestion, we can see delay of hours in flights, exponential air pollution in upper layer of atmosphere. Degradation of environment. Degradation is a process in which quality or beauty of something is spoiled at expense of environment. Means done in a way that harm environment. A pressing problem means an issue that has to be dealt immediately or urgently. Detrimental effect of something means harmful effect of something. And deleterious for environment means harmful for environment. Disastrous in long run means causing great damage after a long period of time. Environmental conservation, a practice that leads to protection of environment and natural resources. Next is overuse, exploitation or burden on natural resources. Means the amount of such resources is almost constant, but owing to mismanagement to suffice the demand of ever increasing population and their usage for industries, we are using more than recovery. Next is preservation of biodiversity and ecological balance. Biodiversity means all type of life in an area, including insects, plants, animals and humans. And ecological balance, one species eat another to create a balance in count of each species. So means overall balance in nature. Passive or negligent attitude of the public means people don't take action but instead let things happen. Extensive awareness campaigns through all form of communication. Extensive means affecting a large area. Next, law enforcement for the environment protection. Law enforcement means making certain that laws of an area are obeyed. Sustainable development means progress without endangering the balance of nature or without harming the environment. Forest are lungs of earth. This is an idiomatic way to say plants provide us required oxygen and maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Environmentalist, someone who work for protection and preservation of environment and participate enthusiastically in environment related activities. Environmental pressure group means organizations or NGOs such as Greenpeace which have been influencing the policies of big industries and government through protests by setting public awareness campaigns and more to stop environmental unfriendly activities. Greener nations. Being green is a reflection of how much a country cares about preserving and restoring the natural environment. Sweden, Denmark and United Kingdom are ranked top 3 out of all nations of world. In the lap of nature, a place of natural beauty and tranquility. Tranquility means peacefulness. This is all for the day. All the best for your IELTS exam. And don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Happy learning!